We want to say a very big thank you to all our followers and our subscribers. If this is the first time you are watching any of my videos on this channel, please click on the subscription button, as I always say, where we take our time and give you the basic education that everybody is expected to know when it comes to technology. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set some parental controls on your electronic or electrical gadget for your children. For instance, if you have mobile phone that you have given some to your child and then you want to monitor the activities or the kind of apps he or she can download onto his phone, this is what I am going to educate you on in this particular video. I'll come up with another video that will show you how to set rules and regulations on your laptop that you have given to your children for studies, so that they won't be able to install any kind of application or go to certain websites without you, the parent, your notice. And so in this video, all you are going to learn is how to set up parental control on your Android phone. Today we are looking at Android phone. Maybe in our subsequent videos we'll come up with how to set up parental control on your iPhone as well. And so to all parents and guardians who has given their children mobile phone which is in Android form, this video is for you. You must regulate the kind of applications your children download onto their phone. So we will quickly go to the mobile phone as we have been doing on this channel, and then I'll walk you through how to get that thing done on your phone. And so if you are an Android user, first of all, just pick your phone, follow me, go to Play Store. So just go to Play Store. So when you go to Play Store, what you are going to do is that you are going to set up let's say parental control or family control on your phone. Okay, but remember, if your child has been using the phone for long, the thing that you don't want the child to download has already been downloaded. So first and foremost, get access to the phone, delete all those games, delete all those apps and all those things that you don't want him to have access to before you now set this new parental control, so that when he wants to go and download anything from after you have deleted them, they will ask for password, of which he will not be able to enter that password, and so you will restrict his activities when he goes to Play Store. So now let's go to Play Store. Click on the icon that you see up there. You click on the icon that you see up there. So when you go to Play Store, you have your icon up here like this, the one that you have signed into. If it is your name, you see the letter of your name up. Okay, and now you click on settings. You click on settings. When you click on settings, we have a lot of information here, starting from general, network preference, authentication, and family. And under family, you can see we have parental control / parent guide. So you just click on parental control. So as you can see, mine at the moment is off. So you are going to turn the parental control on. So when you turn it on, they will ask you to put in password. Make sure you put in a password that your child cannot guess it, so that anytime you want him to get a certain app, maybe for studies or something, you will rather install it for him or for her. So you just click on it and then turn it on, and that is all. You just put in your password and you are good to go. Thank you very much. Please share this video to educate somebody, and let's keep securing our children's activities on the internet as well. Have a nice day.